Hi guys, in this video I'm going to take you through the steps that are required to set up PrimeNG in your Angular project. So here are 4 different steps that I have written. First of all, you will need an Angular project. The simple command is ng new. So here you can see on the back end I have the Angular project set up. And next you will need to install PrimeNG in your application. So for that purpose you will be needing npm, that is node package manager, and then you have to write install and then PrimeNG. When you are going to run this command on the terminal or on the command prompt, it will take some time to install PrimeNG in your application. And after that, you can see in the node module of your project, if I go down and I see here, you can see in the P that we have PrimeNG here. We have the PrimeNG module installed in our project with all the things that are there in the PrimeNG module. After you have installed the PrimeNG module, next thing you need to do is to register the component in app.module. So here we are going to use the drop-down module component from PrimeNG, and we have registered in our app.module and also imported that. So here, if you are going to import a module, first of all, you are going to define it on the top, and next you are going to write that in the import. So here we have imported the drop-down module, and next here we are using this module here in our code, like we are using the p drop-down component. So if I go to the front end and I see here, we can see we have the drop-down module, but the styling is not applied to this component. So next thing we need to do is we need to import the styles in style.css, or we can write them in index.html page. We will be requiring theme.css and primeng.css from our PrimeNG module. So if we go to our style.css of our Angular project, we have to define that on the top of the project. So I have already defined, I just made them commented. And next thing we need to do is we need to define the styles in our index.html. That will also be the same PrimeNG main.css, and then the theme that we are going to use and that icon if we are using in our index.html page. So after I have uncommented the code that I have already written there, you can see the styling is applied on the drop-down component. So that's how you can set up PrimeNG in your application and you can use it. Thank you.